Hello, I'm Chris Rogers with Mathnasium, and today we're going to be going over the area model of multiplication. Now, the area model of multiplication is simply drawing a diagram that represents the place values of the numbers that you are working with in order to more visualize why the multiplication is working the way that it is. So, for example, let's try the numbers 45. And let's pick 19. So 45 times 19. And right off the bat, as I was saying, we are going to be using the place values. So, for example, we know that 45, the tens place is 4, so 40, plus, in our ones place, is 5, and we break apart 19 just the same. We know that in the tens place is 10, and in the ones place is a 9, so 10 plus 9, and already you can see this grid developing here, where it is going to be a box similar to this and split apart also like that. We're going to go ahead and multiply them all together. So 40 times 10, 4 times 1 is 4, and you have 2 tens, so that is 100. Then you have 5 times 10, which is 50. 40 times 9, which is 36. But it's 36 tens, so 360, and then 5 times 9, which is 45. And this box is all the numbers that you're going to work with. All that's left to do is add them together. So let's go ahead and do 400 plus 360 plus 50 plus 45. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 4 is 15, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So the final answer for our problem is going to be 45 times 19, 855. So that is pretty much how we use the area model of multiplication, and now let's try a problem that's a little bit harder. 123 times, let's keep those same numbers, 123. So, once again, we're just going to break down these numbers into their place values. So, we have 100 plus 20 plus 3, and then we have 100 plus 20 plus 3. And once again, if you want to, you can draw the box, but for the sake of this, we're not going to do it this time. And we can start again in the top left. We can do 100 times 100, which is going to be 10,000, because 4 zeros. 20 times 100 is going to be 2,000. And then 3 times 100 is going to be 300. And it looks like I made a good decision not drawing that box. And now we can do the same thing, 100 times 20, well that's another 2,000, we already did that, and 100 times 3 again, so 300. Now we have 20 times 20, which is going to be 400, 3 times 20, which is going to be 60, 20 times 3, which is another 60, and then 3 times 3, which is 9 in that last place value. Now we just add them up across. So 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 is going to be 12,300. Then we have 2,000 plus 400 plus 60. So 2,460. And finally, 369. Then we add those together. 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Then we have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and then 1 for our 10,000th place. So 15,129 is the solution to the problem, 123 times 123. Thank you very much for joining us today. If you learned something, please leave a like on this video. And if you had any comments or other problems that you would like us to tackle, please leave them down in a comment below. And we hope that you join us during our next video and that you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.